In this video, I'll show you what to do in case only one of your AirPods 4 is actually working and the other one, nothing is coming out of it. Well, I'll show you a few solutions. The easiest of them is to put it back, both of them in the case. Take your phone, and this could be Android or Apple, iPhone, doesn't matter. You need to go into the Bluetooth settings. Then over here you should have all the devices connected. Find your AirPods 4 in this list. These are mine. I'll click on the eye icon on the right side. On Android it's slightly different really, but about the same. And then I will select forget this device. Forget device. Forget device. Perfect. Set aside your phone. And now we will factory reset your AirPods 4. It only takes a few seconds. So again, make sure that both of them are inside. Open the case lid, then close the case lid and wait until this light turns off, like now. What I'll show you next needs to be done quite quickly. If you take your time, okay, if you take pauses between each tap that I'll show you, it will not work. I have to warn you. You may have to try it a few times. Let me demonstrate. So you're going to open the case lid, double tap right in the center, double tap again, and double tap again once you hear the chime. And the light here, I don't know if you see, it switched to red. After a few seconds, it will switch back to white, and this means that they have been successfully factory reset. What you need to do now is to take back your phone, go into the Bluetooth settings, and your phone will scan for every devices around, find your AirPods, click on them, and they will be connected again. Hopefully by doing this, you can now try them by the way in your ears, it will solve your issue and both of them will work. If you're still having problems, if that one is still not working, I know it seems very simple, but just remove it from the case and check right there. You see there's two metal prongs. Make sure that they are able to enter contact with the two metal pieces on the AirPods itself. Maybe rub them with a microfiber, something. Sometimes over time you're gonna get dust, dirt, stuff like that right there, and if one of them is not making contact, they will not charge. If you're sure that this wasn't the issue, another thing you can do on your iPhone, okay, this is the main menu, main settings menu. You need to go down until you see accessibility right there. Then over here, you're gonna go down until you see audio and visual. Then go down this list and you're gonna see balance. Let's say my right side AirPod 4 is not working. Try to put all the volume towards the right side and test them. At the end, you need to put back this small dot in the middle. Even if it was in the middle, what I suggest is that you move it around like that and then put it back to the middle. This will simply reset the balance. Okay, so once it's at 0.00, perfect. Now try them again with your music or anything else, and hopefully this time it will solve your issue. If you have any tricks on how to solve this problem, that only one of them is working, please type a comment down below, or if one of these tricks works, please leave a comment too, and I'll see you in the next video.